welcome to Hoffman Academy. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we'll be learning part of the hit song Geronimo by Sheppard. The music we'll learn today is from my book, Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. If you don't have the book yet, there is a link below this video. I will go over the first few measures with you to get you started, and I'll also show you how to play along with the backing track that comes with the book. Let's come to the piano to get started. All right, we're just going to learn part of the chorus of Geronimo, which I think is the most exciting part, the part that goes, "So say Geronimo." And you'll notice I'm using my digital function on my Yamaha piano here. I have it set to like a rock organ sound because I think that sounds fun for this piece. If you're using a digital piano, you might want to experiment with a different sound too. So where you'll place your hands today is right hand is on these 5 keys, finger 1 starting on G, and your left hand finger 5 is also on G. And we're beginning here in measure 9, which is the second ending. See that little 2 with the bracket? That's our second ending. We have 3 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3. So say. Okay, let's try that together. Let's count 3 beats and then we'll play G, G, left, right. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. So say. And then notice we have an 8th rest down in the left hand, rest, which is a fast half beat rest, and then Geronimo, B-A-G-G. Now you try. Geronimo. One more time. Try it by yourself. Go. Let's put that together with so say. We have 3 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3. So say, rest, Geronimo. And that little 8th rest is really important to get the rhythm right. If you leave it out, it will just be so say Geronimo, which doesn't sound as cool as so say, rest, Geronimo. That rest is part of the energy of the song. So say, rest, Geronimo. Now you try. Go. Good. Now pause if you need more practice with that. Otherwise, let's look at the next measure. Now we have another 8th rest, this time for the right hand. Rest, say, and then another 8th rest down in the left hand before another Geronimo. Rest, say, Geronimo. Now you try. Now let's back all the way up to the second ending, measure 9, 3 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3. So say, rest, Geronimo, rest, say, Geronimo. Now pause and work on those 3 measures by yourself, then press play to go on. Now looking at the next page, we have 2 more measures that are exactly the same as what we just played. So we're ready for this. Say, Geronimo, rest, say, Geronimo. Now I ask you to pay very careful attention to those 8th rests. They're a very important part of the rhythm. Sometimes the right hand has no rest for the word say, so it comes right on beat 1. Say, Geronimo. But then, sometimes it doesn't come right on beat 1. There's that 8th rest, which pushes the word say onto the second half of beat 1. Rest, say. It's called syncopation, when something happens on the and of the beat. In music, we have the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have syncopation, which comes on the and of the beat. And. Here, every time I was saying and, it was between the beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And rock music, jazz, lots of styles of music like to put sounds on those ands because it makes it exciting. So we have so say, Geronimo, 1 and. Right on that and is where that say comes. 1 and, Geronimo, say, Geronimo, 1 and, Geronimo. So pay attention to those 8th rests. Pause the video and practice measures 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is the part of the chorus of Geronimo. Then press play to go on. Now, another thing you might have noticed are these little alligator mouth symbols under certain notes. That's called an accent in music. When you see that under or over a note head, it means to play that note with extra punch. Kind of like if you were getting bitten by an alligator, you'd want to punch it in the nose. So you got to punch that note. So say, Geronimo, say, Geronimo, say, Geronimo, say, Geronimo. Now, if you buy the book, you'll be able to learn the entire song. And I'd like to demonstrate for you another great bonus of buying the book is you get a backing track that you can play along with. The book comes in the front cover. Right inside the front cover, you can get a code to go to the website and get a track you can play along with. And I'll demonstrate what that sounds like for you right now. Thanks for learning along with me today. This is just one of 17 songs found in my book, Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. I created this book to help you learn how to play some of our most requested songs. Each song in the book includes practice tips and challenges to help you grow your skills. And the book also comes with instrumental backing tracks that you can play along with. Click on the link below to get a copy of your very own. Your purchase helps support our entire team here at Hoffman Academy. So thank you, and happy music making.